What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading about the video. So today we're going, I hate when I say today we're going to be doing, I don't know what we're going to be doing, sadly. So I think what we're going to be doing, I think we're going to go on the road. And then I'm going to show you the plan for the train, so I do know what we're doing. Yeah, so if you see, I have this trailer here that you might have seen in one of my videos when I was the new updates. I think it was that video. And so I think I'm going to try to do, because wood's so expensive now, I don't really want to spend my money all on wood, but my plans is to kind of build like a box that fits in this trailer, this exact trailer right here, fits in that, slide in, slide out, and I've got a feeling probably around this space is going to be like a stove area kind of thing, so that's going to be stove, and then I think this area is going to have like 2 beds folding down this way. That's going to turn into a sofa. But I'm not going to try and spoil it for you too much, because I might do a certain video when I build it. So please stop, please stop, please stop, please stop. Probably not going to stop. Just say please stop. It has this winch on it. Jeez. Yeah, so that's the winch. I do have no idea if you can see it. It's hides. Well, it was hides, now it isn't. Oh, people walking the top one. It's very high up. Well, for me. I always have to cross your fingers when you try to start this mode, because sometimes it doesn't start. I hope it does start. But otherwise, fiddling about that and chats. Where I think we're going to do in this, because just please stop putting my hat in. Stop choking. It's dead. No battery. Oh! God, this pipe's that's got to be used for some things. Actually, battery connected pipes that broke, so just put them off those. So, yeah, bits of some. I'm gonna get this thing started and I'll be back. Whoa.
Hey guys, so I've just got it running. Just to run this. Hey guys. So I'm gonna pull this trailer around and see how it does. See the dimensions when it's attached to the actual thing. Now,
So on this side, which you can see, I hope there's going to be some kind of wood burning, something that I can cook food with, or anything, just like a desktop or anything. Probably take that much. Probably about. I shall do it for the camera for the TV. So the TV's here. TV's here, and we go like this. Oh wait. So this. So that's how much it's going to take up. Okay. And then the other side's going to be space. And then we're going to have a bed on this side, that's going to take that much space. And then we're going to get the bed to fold up and then connect to the desktop. And then we have a little space in the middle. And then we have a door in the back. Which, when you have a door, that's kind of walk through two passes. But it's all fine, and I hope it'll work. But some people don't think it will work, so I hope it works. So bye guys, it's been a very long video. Well, not very long video. You guys saw